Prepositions of movement: across and through. Across is going from one side of an area, surface, or line to the other side. I drew a line across the paper. Through is movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other side. The baseball went through the window. Sometimes either across or through can be used for areas. We walked across the park. We walked through the park. They drove across the city. They drove through the city. Along, around. Along is to follow a line. Around is to go in a circular direction around some obstacle. We walked around the lake. We walked along the road. Into and out of. Into is to go from outside a space to inside a space. Out of is to go from inside a space to outside a space. The cat went into the box. The cat jumped out of the box. Onto and off. Onto and off refer to surfaces, differently from into and out of, which refer to enclosed spaces. The dog jumped onto the table. I took the picture off the wall. Up and down. Going up the stairs, going down the stairs. In addition to physical movement, go up and go down can also be used for increase and decrease. The price of food has gone up in the past 2 years. The number of children per family has gone down. Over and under. To go over is to pass above something. To go under is to pass below something. The ball went over the wall and then under the table. Towards and away from. If you go towards something, you get closer to it. If you go away from something, you get farther away from it. The dog is running towards me. The boy is running away from me. Back to. Back to is movement of return to a place you have been before. He went to Italy, maybe for the first time. He went back to Italy. It is the second time, or he is originally from Italy. He went back Italy is incorrect.